Hello guys, now let us discuss question 16. The question is match the following. So there is a list 1 given and a list 2 given. So we have to match which of these matches the disease that are here in the list 2. So here there are different options that are given to us, and the correct option is, because as we know, so here chillosis is a condition where corners of the mouth become inflated, which can lead to cracking and pain at the corner of the mouth. This is because of the deficiency of vitamin B2, and this is very, and it is because of the excess of alcohol present in the body, and this is because of the deficiency of vitamin B1, and it affects heart and circulatory system. And this is, then next is Cumry, and it is because of the deficiency of vitamin C, and it basically affects gum. Affects gum. This is mouth. This is mouth corner, and this is heart and circulatory system. The next is, this is because of the deficiency of vitamin B6, and it's here it causes uncontrollable shaking. Now when we go to the list 1, this is list 2. So here in column 1 we are given the common names of the vitamins, and that is ribofil, that is first is vitamin B2, and gets matched with chlosis. Then there is thiamine, which is the deficiency disease is beriberi. Then it's scopic acid, which is vitamin C, and it's because its deficiency causes scurvy. And then pyridoxine, which is vitamin B6 common name, which deficiency causes convulsion.